What's up, guys? Today I'll be opening Pokemon cards. And it's Sword and Shield. Let's start opening it. Okay, now we just open it. Here's the key card for you guys. 4 in the front. We have energy. I don't know how to say that one. Kangling. I don't know how to say that one.